video, I'm gonna show you how to add new products to your e-commerce website. When you logged into the admin panel, just go to the products section on the left sidebar and click this button. On the new page, you need to fulfill all the basic information regarding the product, such as description, title, images, category, etc. Let's start. So I've prepared some description of the notebook and paste it here. You can use it with this text editor, make bullets, highlight some words, and do whatever to make it more convenient for the user. Our product will be simple. The simple product is the one that have only one variation, for example, cost, size, color. In the next video, we will also check how to create product with different variations. So let's put the price. You can even set sales price, maybe not at the beginning, but anytime you want, and schedule the time frame for the sale period. So that's it. You can also add a short description to show it on the website product page. And also, we need to set category of a product to filter it in the shop. If you don't have the proper one, you can add it. So you don't have a parent category, that's good. You can create tags to search products on your website. The next important thing is product image. Let's have this one as a template. If you have more than one images, you can add them one by one in this gallery, and you will have like a slider. So that's all. We have title, description, short description, price, image, and some images for the gallery and category as well. So we can publish this product and make it available on the website. But before, let's see on the preview how it will look like. So here it is, our title, our description here. So that's nice. And when we are convenient, we click publish and the product created. It has automatically set it permalink. You can edit it if you want. Let's go to the all product section once again. Here you can duplicate this product and make some minor changes. You can make quick edits by not opening the whole page. You can change the title, you can change the price and even category, and update changes when they are done. If you don't need this product anymore, just click trash and it will be deleted. That's basically all. Thank you for your attention and see you in our next videos.